How to fix Zenless Zone 0 crashing. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you the reason behind of crashing the Zenless Zone 0 game and how you can easily fix this issue. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply update your graphics driver. So let's say you are using Nvidia, so you just have to use the search bar in your PC and then you just have to search for GeForce Experience. By default this application comes in your PC, but if it doesn't, then you just have to download and install this application in your device. Then you just have to log in into your account and click on drivers. Afterwards you just have to click on check for updates, and then if there is any update available, you just have to click on the download button and download it successfully. And then you just have to click on the install button. In order to install it, you can choose between express and custom installation. Now in the second method, you just have to check for your internet connection. Since ZZZ is an online game, lagging and shuttering can occur during peak hours or with a weak connection. So you need to try to reset your router or playing with a wired connection instead. Then you just have to verify the game file. So sometimes the corrupted files affect game's performance. In the Epic Store, you just have to locate Zenless Zone 0, and then you just have to click the three dots at the bottom right hand corner of the tile, and then you just have to select verify files and wait for the process to complete, and the game should run fine. So with the help of these instructions, you are definitely going to fix the crashing issues in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.